Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will discuss about homeowners insurance doesn't overflooding. Here are the best flood insurance companies that will provide you the best insurance companies. Homeowners homeowners uh, standard homeowners insurance policies don't cover flood damage on their own damage uh, on their own damage. mm, uh, and uh, you have so while the risk of um and all things while the risk of flooding while the risk of the flooding varies the by mm, uh, since even one of the mm, layer, so you can see that you can see that mm, uh, I have the National Flood Insurance Program or NFIP offered by FEMA. This can be a good option for some homeowners, but it may not work for everyone. Those with larger, more expensive homes or those in high cost of living areas may not find enough coverage through the NFIP, since the maximum coverage limit for residential single families home in $2,500. Private flood insurance offered by insurance companies and not tied to FEMA. Private flood insurance can be provide higher coverage limits or more comprehensive protection, including coverage for basements. NFIP policies have some notable exclusions, such as for the personal property stored in the basement. The NFIP also doesn't offer any coverage for swimming pool. That's where a private flood mm, private flood insurance companies best overall neptune flood insurance beyond flood insurance. Flood insurance on edge flood insurance over best overall runner up. The Neptune flood insurance is widely available and of relatively relatively high coverage for limits out of the companies are reviewed, making it useful for people who need more coverage than the typical NFIP policy. Policy optional coverage for swimming pool repair and refill and unattached structures could be useful features and properties with these amenities for homeowners um, with basements contents coverage could be additional coverage runner up beyond floods uh, offers a very useful in today. I will tell you about how my you will see that. Take care and goodbye.